Welcome back. We are checking out one of my favorite batteries from LiTime because this has a built-in circuit breaker on it, which can be very convenient. But if you're in a hurry and just trying to get a discount on this battery, you already know all about it. Feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech. You get an additional discount on this price right here, which is really low to begin with. Helps support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page and get that deal. This server rack battery from LiTime is amazing. You got 48V 100Ah battery providing reliable power through top EV grade LFP battery cells. This is lithium iron phosphate battery cells. They offer higher energy density, stable performance, and increased power. Eco-friendly too, free of toxins, the cells maintain high performance for 10 plus years while minimizing environmental impact. The chemistry of these batteries is actually inexplodable. These are not lithium ion batteries, which can be very dangerous. Lithium iron phosphate battery cells are amazing, and they got all kinds of battery protections built right in. Equipped with a 100Ah BMS. You got 100Ah 20 plus protections for overcharge, over discharge, short circuit, low temp, things like that. And this has a metal case, SPCC. This is going to fit into your server rack setups really well and very durable. Half the space and 1/3 the weight of other traditional AGM setups. It's got a bunch of certifications here. It's got UL certifications and a bunch of other certifications. 4,000 plus cycles at 100% discharge rate because these are really great EV grade battery cells. You can hook 4 of these in parallel, giving you 19.2 kilowatts of power, which is really close to the national average daily use of power. So this is a lot of power. This isn't just for an emergency. You can live comfortably. And since this is not a lead acid battery, you do not need to worry about maintenance. Industry-leading LFP battery cells. They got your premium, long-life, EV-grade lithium iron phosphate battery cells. They're very dependable. They'll last over a decade. Cells charge safely up to 4,000 times at full capacity. Discover premium power engineered for outstanding performance, security, and sustainability through rigorous testing. This is the state-of-the-art technology for battery storage, light years ahead of what we just replaced. 100Ah BMS ensures safety and longevity. Battery management system. Now, this built-in BMS is going to protect your battery from long-time use, and it prolongs the battery's lifetime. More importantly, it's going to keep it safe for you and keep it running safely. It's going to protect you from overcharge, over discharge, overheating, overcurrent, short circuits, and more. Ultra-low self-discharge rate makes it longer lasting. So even if this is just in storage not being used, it's going to last longer than traditional batteries. Feel comfortable. You got a lot of peace of mind with this. Level up your energy solution. You got LiTime's 48V battery, takes energy storage to the next level, 4,800 watts of usable energy. Powerhouse battery delivers more than enough to juice your needs. Say goodbye to inconvenient and constant recharges and complex space-eating wiring schemes. I have a 12-volt system that is set up pretty nicely, but it's still a lot. It's got a lot of different components, and when you have a bigger battery like this, it really makes it easy, makes it look clean, and you only have a few conductors to worry about. Installation is a lot less effort and a lot safer in the long run. Level up to premium LiTime battery power supply that simply works without having to deal with other hassles. Perfect replacement for lead acid batteries. Huge difference between how much this battery is and how much this battery is, and you're getting so much more power out of it. It's a lot more safer, and look how much longer it's going to last. And look you can't even get as much power out of your old system. You're going to get double the power out of this. Reliable energy partner. This is great for off-grid solar systems and home storage during emergency. This can be used for various different purposes. Very versatile, durable companion in your life. Personally, I feel like I don't know why everybody doesn't have at least something for backup power in their homes. It's 2025, guys. Let's get going on this. And the prices are lower than they've ever been. It's very easy battery storage, seamless. You don't have to worry about a bunch of different things. You have rapid charging on this. You can charge it very quickly from various different methods. You can charge it at your home. You can charge it using solar or charge it using portable generators. I wanted to highlight these because every single one of these batteries I looked at recently has a huge discount on it, and you can use my promo code AdventureTech to get an additional discount on top of this price right here. Help support my channel, which I always appreciate greatly. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get over this page, learn more about it, or pick one of these up for yourself. Or pick 4 of them up, put them in parallel, and you'll have an amazing, huge amount of backup storage, very easily set up because it's 48 volts. You're dealing with 12-volt systems, you're running into issues with amperage. Just remember, this is just a 100Ah battery. You don't have as much issues to worry about. You can subscribe to my channel for free, Adventure Tech, where I check out the newest tech and a lot of the newest updates, or Adventure Tech 2.0, where I actually get into these batteries, unbox them, and testing them. You click that bell icon, you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.